Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about updates. And I have a follow-up video usually with anything unusual happening. This April's Patch Tuesday has been relatively quiet, but there's one issue that seems to be popping up a little more than the others, and it's yet not. You're not sure exactly where the problem lies. Some users have been saying that their PCs kind of reboot and then it offers to go into recovery mode or to try again. If you try again, apparently it kind of boot loops really a lot. And basically, it just doesn't go anywhere. So, various users with different systems have come forward saying that they have the exact same problem. And one was an HP computer, another one with a Dell. I've seen one also having that problem on a Lenovo machine. Like I said, it's not a high number, but it's just high enough that, it comes out of the background noise. So some people are having this issue. I don't know if any of you out there are having that. If you do, please comment below. Say what that have this boot loop problem. Microsoft is investigating. They're saying that they're not sure if it's Windows itself or maybe some driver or something that's installed already on those machines that's the problem, because that is the huge issue with Windows. It's always a battle between, is Windows update, is the update broken? Is there something wrong? Or is it that there's something on the machine that's pre-installed or a driver that for some reason just starts to have issues after this update? So we'll follow this story. We'll see what happens, and if anything unusual comes up, we'll let you know. But it's a big enough issue that I wanted to at least mention it here. And like I say, often some of the issues that Windows Update or any other problem with Windows has often show up here in comments from users. So it's kind of interesting to go through and ask, because we often see a pattern. If there is to be one, we often see it here with all the users watching my channel. So we'll see what's next, but it's still a small number of people that are having issues. The majority of people are having absolutely no problem with this April 2026 update for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.